Overcome Financial Hurdles by Debt Avalanche Strategy. The Debt Avalanche method is a strategic approach to paying off debt that focuses on minimizing interest costs. Unlike the debt snowball method, which prioritizes paying off the smallest debts first, the Debt Avalanche method targets the debts with the highest interest rates. This method aims to save you money in the long run by minimizing the total interest you pay over the course of repayment. Here's how the Debt Avalanche method works. List your debts. Create a comprehensive list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other outstanding balances. Include the outstanding balance, minimum monthly payment, and interest rate for each debt. Order by interest rate. Arrange your debts in descending order based on the interest rate, from the highest to the lowest. Make minimum payments. Continue making the minimum monthly payments on all your debts to avoid late fees and penalties. Allocate extra funds. Identify any extra funds you can allocate towards debt repayment beyond the minimum payments. Target the highest interest debt. Focus your extra funds on the debt with the highest interest rate, regardless of the outstanding balance. Pay as much as you can afford on this debt while continuing to make minimum payments on other debts. Continue down the list. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, take the total amount you were paying toward it, including the minimum payment, and add it to the minimum payment of the next highest interest debt. Repeat the process. Continue the process, tackling each debt in descending order of interest rate. As you pay off each high-interest debt, your available funds for debt repayment grow, allowing you to make larger payments on debts with lower interest rates. Benefits of the Debt Avalanche method. 1. Interest savings. The primary advantage of the Debt Avalanche method is that it minimizes the total interest you pay over time. This can result in substantial savings compared to paying off debts with lower interest rates first. 2. Efficiency. By targeting high-interest debts first, you're efficiently reducing the overall cost of your debts. 3. Financially rational. The Debt Avalanche method aligns with a financially rational approach as it addresses debts that are costing you the most in interest. Considerations. The Debt Avalanche method may not provide the immediate psychological boost that the debt snowball method does, as it might take longer to pay off the first debt. Individuals who are motivated by saving money on interest costs and are comfortable with a longer-term perspective might find the Debt Avalanche method more appealing. Is the Debt Avalanche method right for you? The Debt Avalanche method is particularly suitable for individuals who are financially motivated and want to minimize the total amount of interest paid over the course of repayment. If you're disciplined and focused on optimizing your debt repayment strategy, and you're less concerned about quick wins, this method could align well with your goals. As always, consider your financial situation, goals, and personal preferences when choosing a debt repayment strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.